Let's play a chromatic scale, going up 2 octaves from the low E string to the high E string. With the chromatic scale, we play every possible note on the fretboard going up, which means we play the open string, then we play 1, 2, 3, 4 frets, and then move to the next string, open. 1, 2, 3, 4, open. 1, 2, 3, 4. On the third string, we only go up to the third fret. Open, 1, 2, 3, and then we go to the second string to play all 4. Open, 1, 2, 3, 4, and end with the open E string. Let's play that together going nice and slow. Open. 1, 2, 3, 4, open. 1, 2, 3, 4, open. 1, 2, 3, 4, open. 1, 2, 3, open. 1, 2, 3, 4, open.